Dead.
Test meat no them.
Why pre-YouTube? What's going on, guys? And welcome back to your favorite channel. And welcome back to Jamaica Wildlife. And I don't know we're there with a bang of fun in idea in the seat here. Me show you how I go on. We already get one already. You see me? My son and my bridging them with there at the pond. So rooster hunt in idea. You understand what I mean? Something nice and something slight. But you see that one day we have that capture on camera, so we just did forget for them intro, but we are going to roll back on the clip them, so you see what I go on. But you know what I want to do though? Always remember to smash that notification bell, because wildlife is back. Like, share, subscribe and comment. You don't know what I think, you know. You don't know anyway, soon go there with fling. You understand? Just go and big up on yourself, man, and watch no face. We're there. Soon link up again. Oh,
Find that missing phone, right there. Find there. Yeah man, first one done, you know? One jacket here. Listen one. Make him come, man. Yo, make him come then, man. Can't run the phone, let me not see your cuz, bro.
Get him, madam, get him.
Can't go stop him through this somewhere. Yo, no tap down run the phone, let me know, brother.
What I'm doing now, Dan. Me take one,
Hold on, I have to mash up on him. I have to mash up one today. I think I pick. I want 3. Don't run them, don't run them.
One of them. Nice! Nice! Nice, Jackie. Yeah. Just put him out time machine, man. Guys, give me 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. I put him out time machine. On the look, young man. They're gone.
Brother. Eh? I want to find out time me number 1 brother, number 1 can I fall again. Yeah, 2 me gone, my brother. I click on the 3 man. Easy man. Me have to catch him, carry him, do everything, brother. So I think go still. Yeah man.
So, guys, I'll keep up on some. I know I want a spot. But it's like you have to be kind of quiet. Because when you're kind of smart, guys, you understand. You see that?
2 me know unless it fall, brother. Push them over, you see.
Daddy, cool.
Can't wild full, I headshot you for lick full, no, bro. Nah, go on. Nah, go over there, go mash up. Hold on. I like Jesus,
Jack,
so
let me get to another.
not wild before them, cause bro.
Bad youth. Sweet in there a while ago.
I have to watch you win there, you see me?
So, and
That me like, we follow me, I go fight, I know I go for. Huh? And for look shoot on, I get fall around the fall. I headshot, you don't have to shoot fall, brother. I shoot them a tough and them body. Right in there. In the head. Oh my God. No. Fool, you're going like imagine now. Go look on next one now. Yo, I can't believe that, man. You go to yours, you know. Yeah, man, you go to yours, man. I don't listen, Jack.
Alright guys, so we have a little bit of twist to it. One of my brethren built one air rifle and I decided to take a use of it and get involved in the video because I when my son and his friend and one of my next brethren really when I go to the hunting part of the video. You understand what I say? But me literally I go try a thing with this. They don't know me can stretch big up on yourself. Me soon endorse them the same way. And my brethren build one up here. And I never know, me just a pass and he show me and me I take a use of it. So we I use alcohol, spray near so, yeah, and then load it with a marble and then shoot it. You understand what I mean? So see it them people, you don't know. We just go and big up on yourself and enjoy the hunt. We have 2 roosters so far, we shot one and not get him. So whenever time we get probably 2 more, we are going to just turn over to the cooking part, alright? So stay tuned. Hey, let's pick, brother, stop while you now. Alright guys, so right now our roots are the summer in so. Alright, so you never go far down in it. You see him? Alright guys, so I let us see a sneak in for them and see what I go and see him I can leave. Look him light man. Give me a slingshot. Dead. Yeah man, a clean head shot that in my feet. You see it? Come on, no, my boss. Yeah man, more try it. Look at so there. Come here. I slingshot me up after 30 you know. Cause you're right, now give me one more. Stop the movement. Yeah, my peeps, and that one you see it there too much. On the other side, I can't show you. You understand? Because the whole head part is still. But look, you see when you see the spur come closer. You know, long that one are nice. One are young and nice, yeah? Yeah, man. Watch out, boy. What me think say in there, you know? Me comble and high. Hold him. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Peace, right now. We have three. Me just catch one. The ear rifle. Me use the ear rifle shoot one of them, but apparently, if we power upon it, you know, as high as you would want it to actually eliminate one of them. So me have to switch to a slingshot and fire one shot and then second shot land him. You don't know. So we have three right now. So I feel like we are going to really move forward and kind of put the hunting on a pause now and just use the tree where we have same way because you don't know show must go on. You understand what I say? But for now, you don't know we are going to get in the kitchen, we are going to get the fowl and clean up and a thing like that. So stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy this little one. You don't know. Big up.
put a pot on a stick fire, because we only put fire in a stick fire, you know? Can easily shine off, you know? And tell we say we dirty up them pot, you know? Until we say we dirty up them pot, brother. So we are use some faba water. Go on easy, man. That's soon lunchtime, right?
That's right.
Yeah, man. We are get the thing up and running.
Yeah.
Nah, man.
Let me peeps. So I go on there. Fire up and running.
Dongle. So you say KFC style or what? Barbecue?
KFC style.
Alright, KFC style, dog, them say.
Yeah.
So you ain't eat none? How? Eh? You see me, I have two things to put in a pot to you. From early, we not put on to you, so me go, you know? You know these are what? Ha ha. Yeah, daddy. Water you use, pick them still, so we just, you know? Right, it make bus. Two of them bus. Two of make them, man.
Yeah, man, I big fat chef at work, my peeps. Man, I don't know, man. Jackie
Yeah, man.
Jones.
Get him down, you know?
Yeah, 2 more. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
All time close and dead. Next part. Same way.
That is it.
The roast say, yo, nice.
Sweet. Come here. Liquor, you know?
Close. Don't know.
Yeah, one Jackie James, you know? So all common as seasoned down to the bone. You know what is this? There, oh my God. Some curry style we will deal with him, man, you know?
Monkey mix.
Yeah, man, in first we have to make it season kind of worky, you know? Yeah, man. Can see, I know chef you can take one fork, you know, can come, brother. Tell him to give one fork or one spoon from down, sir. One. And salt. Hurry up, my brother, hurry up, man. Rub it in, you know? Kind of fresh. They see fire same time, so you know it's alright, empty already, my friend. Mr. Empty already. Empty already. Empty already.
I know we got you know.
Yeah, hold on.
Got you, man. So you say a chef like that? I mean, certified to
Sous chef.
sous chef. Chef, yes. You see how they decide.
I mean, I get a little ground provision them ready up, you know? Nah, man. That make it smelly pot from a mile, you know? Flavor it. Me don't have to use no powder seasoning still, I can use them alone and cook the pot. But me don't have to go to market and shoot to the holiday same way, you know? Just do a little thing. Go and look in the pot same way too, I couldn't see it. Yeah, man, you see in there? Yeah, man. Dutchy full. Yeah, man. See that? Smell that, boy? Hi! Hi! Pepper, you know, so you have to, pepper have to go with curry, you know. No joke. Great old Irish, you know. Marjorie go hot, man. Go decent, man. No joke about it, man. One piece of bone and we bring up a season, you know, so common as that. So you have whole heap of bone, so season to your bone. And a fork test meat, no, them. A mouth. A mouth test meat and a fork. Let me come to you. Take a piece of it, man. Take up, man. Now come on. You tell them.
See rice set on here, my peeps. I don't know. Yeah. Yes, my people, you see what I go on? Watch the man. Yeah, man. The pot look mighty. Watch it.
Oh, joke, you know?
Why may I tell you on the street, say it smell delicious. You know, see what I go on them, man. You don't know, see chef, that's the same way there.
Active.
Yeah, no joke. Rice landing about just go and wait on the plate now. And then we just move into it. You understand? See the man? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps, I see what I go on there. The plate them reaching on the rice ready, you know. So I don't know what time it is.
That is it, you
You know
know?
what I mean? Nothing hard, man. You don't know they are same way. I go on all a vibe. So we'll do a little sharing now.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean? And get
As then
into
I
it.
say, chef to share for you first, right?
Biggie night then we see what I got. Yeah, man.
That is it.
Yeah, my peeps, so like me say, you don't know, you know. I sharing segment this, you know. Yeah, man. Every Monday I see me, man. You don't know, see there. Yeah, man. Can't right now, too me hungry, I can't wait to get into it. I telling you the honest truth. Yeah, man. And plus, sitting else I go on, you have to see him, you know. You understand me? Big pot of oink. Yeah, man. So I go on my people, man. You don't know. Just gonna stick and stay, man.
That's what I'm talking about. More rice.
You say, G, I request more rice. And I say, come down now one night time, man.
KFC style, huh?
KFC no sell curry. Yo, what you have this I drink? I will rum mug, you know, watch him. Yeah, man. I say, cousin, I stay. Alright, that is it, man. You don't know. See, then my peeps already telling you everybody there, you know. Yeah, man. It's a cool film on the one I hunter that same way. A young hunter, eh? I lie. Yeah, right. Normal settings, man. Normal. I'm just going to wait for my one so now watch the chef go and do anything, you know? Boy, my peeps, if me I ain't a master, but hey, when me tell you say hot, you know. So give me a minute, you flip the camera and we talk to me, yeah?
Yeah. It's nice, no?
I tell her.
It tastes just like regular chicken. It's soft and it tastes good. So that give that an excellent.
Excellent. So I go on people, a unity man, that's how we deal with it, could this someone already so. Well lads. My uncle that too, you know. That is it, my peeps, man. I don't know, you know, we just there same way, you know what I mean? Normal. See, I know my peeps, I don't know, you know. I tell you, say, chef, know him thing. I don't know, joke chef, right? I must send him go to England, go cook. But I can't send him yet, you know? Yeah. But I don't know, you know. It is what it is. I don't know. Unity, we say it all times, you know. Unity is strength. I don't know. So peace out. God bless. One love. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little one and I'll see you guys in the other one, alright? Big up. Well, my people see him there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Can't say he can't go no more, man.
Can't
See
go
them?
no more, brother.
No more at all he can't go. See him there? I'm cookie so that go on.
Yo, not tell us all the board.
Yeah, my people, everything done with that number. You don't know, you know. So this man I send you Middle East. And he cook pork for your living.
Yeah, pork Guinea, you know?
Yeah. Well, my people, just go and big up on yourself and thanks for watching again, yeah? A little more.